Welcome to our OGP UK demonstration facility. Welcome to our short presentation of the OGP CNC 200 measuring machine. This particular machine has a range of 200mm by 200mm by 150mm. Throughout the CNC range, however, we can go to 1500mm by 660 to 400mm in the Z-axis. So we go from very small benchtop machines to large systems. This machine can be equipped with optical, tactile, lasers, white light sensors, and if you're looking for very small bore measurement, we can use a small styli of 0.127 of a millimetre. Also, I'm pleased to announce when this machine is installed, we can now calibrate to UCAS ISO 10360 Part 7. This machine is the perfect solution if you're looking for multi-sensor technology. Now I want to talk to you about the software on the machine. So this machine is working with Zone 3 software, which is a perfect solution for generation of programs from a 3D model. A program per component took around about 15 minutes to generate, and the runtime of the part is going to be around about 40 seconds. So not to bore you anymore, I'm just going to start the routine going by a simple start button. And the software is now going to ask me a series of questions. Who am I? Well, you know I'm Graham Shaw. What the serial number of the machine is, or part number, or batch number, so we can record this data to analyse our manufacturing process. It's going to ask me how many components I wish to measure. On this particular one, I'm going to measure one part. So simply press OK or enter on the joystick button, or if you need a touchscreen, you can use a touchscreen to generate the routines. The machine will now use optical measurement for measuring the flatness of the part and any kind of depth measurement that we need to do on the component. We measure a diameter and do 150 points in round about half a second. Anything inside the field of view of the machine can be measured in one hit, giving you rapid measurement using the optics of the machine. Again, as I mentioned, we have the ability to add on our Renshaw touch trigger probe, a partner we've now been working with for many years. The software itself has the ability to define if the component has ingress on there or not, and the measurement itself will be adjusted according to what has been set within the parameters of the machine. So as you see, that took 40 seconds to run. Now what I'm going to do is take one of these components off and put a different coloured component on, or different material, and run the same routine again. As you can see, the machine auto-adjusts its lights to accommodate different materials and different colours of components, allowing the machine to run seamlessly within your production environment. When the routine is finished, the data is automatically populated into our QC Calc data collection software. This will tell you how the manufacturing process is going, and if you have any trends toward worn tooling or need to make any kind of adjustments, the software will alert you to that particular problem. As you can see from the screen, we have one feature that has now gone out of control, so we can rectify the problem that we have within our production environment. What a great piece of machinery, what a great piece of software. These machines are perfect for all industries. So all industries we serve are automotive, are aerospace, are medical, technical moulders, oil and gas, precision engineers. God, there's too many to mention, but all these machines will go into every industry. So this machine can be brought onto site for a non-obligation demonstration of the machine's capability and software. Come on, challenge us.